Jafar, there you are.
Oh,
we need to have a
Jasmine.
fucking talk.
What the hell
Don't
are you
turn up on
doing
her,
here? I
Jafar.
thought you didn't fuck with me anymore, girl.
You been talking about my man again?
It's in your best interest if you get the fuck out my face. Now, does he know that he's your man?
We're in a relationship.
Please don't tell her the tea. Please, just
Is
don't
that
go
what
in
y'all
on her,
are
Jafar,
calling it these
please.
days?
Yes.
Don't tell her the tea.
I love your faggoty ass drama. Keep my man's name out your mouth.
Oh, you dumb bitch. So you haven't heard the tea around town about your man, have you, girl?
What you mean?
No shade, girl, but your man prefers sucking
What?
dick.
No.
Oh, yes. What'd you expect, girl? This is Hotlanta.
Fuck you. You shouldn't even have told me. I could have
Serves
dealt
you
with that
right,
being told.
bitch. Don't fuck with me anymore.
You know she gonna come back and whoop your ass.
She ain't about that life. Fuck that bitch.